In this video, I'll show you how to link your music to your artist profile on TikTok. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app and sign in to your artist account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Next, open Chrome and go to the TikTok artist website. You can find the link in the description below. Here, locate the Open in TikTok button and tap on it, then wait for the TikTok app to load. Once it's done, tap on the Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Next, search for your artist page and click Claim right next to your name. But before you claim your page, first make sure all your songs and albums are here. Next, verify your identity as the artist by logging into the streaming platform for artists or music distribution platform you use, and take screenshots that contain your artist name, album titles, or track titles, and then upload them here. Once you've finished uploading your screenshots, don't forget to submit your request. Look for the Submit button at the bottom of the page and click on it. TikTok will review your request and verify your identity within 30 days. Once approved, you'll receive a notification in your app. Once approved, you'll have access to the TikTok Artist Dashboard, where you can manage and promote your music to more people on TikTok. And that's it, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials for artists.